Good morning everyone. I'm Aarti from Team 1. We are going to present about the food and grocery in retail. I'm going to present about DMart. DMart is an Indian chain of hypermarket. It is founded by Radhakrishnan Damani in the year 2002. DMart mission to be the lowest priced retailer in the area operation. Vision is our continuous endeavor to investigate. A retail format, store location, merchandise, visual merchandising, store layout, interior and exterior design, advertising and promotion, pricing and services. These are the retail format. First we are going to see about the location. I have taken a place of Kopakarani where the DMart is situated. It has been situated since the last 7 years. This area has got a lot of potential in terms of customer. The middle income group mainly resides here and nearby area. ATM or available near the mall for one to withdraw money if required. Large frontage makes mall clearly visible from outside. Parking. In this mall, parking is a big problem for shoppers. There is no parking space provided by the mall. The customer have to park their vehicle at their own risk. Layout. All FMCG products which are used daily are kept on the ground floor. The vegetable and medicines counter are also situated on the ground floor. The first floor is mainly for apparels. Men and kids wear are available on this floor. The second floor stores are home appliances, utensils, sport equipment and gift article etc. Each section has one attendant on average. Floor cleaning activities outsourced. This is the layout of a ground floor, and this is the layout of first floor, and this is the layout of a second floor. Exterior design. The exterior also house baggage counter and safe deposit. Certain food and refreshment stall for the shoppers to enjoy. Metal retailing are built for the shoppers to sit and rest. Security personnel are employed to check the customer with metal detector for security reason. Interior design. The interior are green associated with the color of their logo. Their whole store was floored with the ceramic tiles. Adequate light was focusing on product for the convenience of the customer. Music was pure soft Hindi music which appealed to the target customers. Category of products. These are the category of products which are available in DMart. Merchandise. The product mix is good and lot of varieties available. The assortment for apparel is done as per the price and size. The DMart offer price and the max retail price both are visible on the price card. During the festival season, the festival item are kept in the main area. The whole area was divided as per the product that they offered, like apparel, stationery, crockery, sanitary item, gift article, steel item, detergent, vegetable, fruits, etc. Advertising and promotion. DMart hoardings can be found on the lamppost on major road in Navi Mumbai areas. DMart usually advertise in major newspaper giving information about the latest offers. Promotion and sales offers were present for the most of the items. Example, there was a discount of 10% on all Sunday product and Cadbury chocolate. Pricing. The pricing offered are economically in DMart. SWOT analysis. Strength, low price, competitive price, good stable image as a retail store, spacious and situated in prime location. Weakness, poor space utilization in stores, no backing of a known corporate business house. Standalone stores not suited in any commercial building, mall, hubs. Opportunity, booming retail store, limited presence in suburbs. Town market can be potential untapped market in major cities. Threat, presence of competition like Big Bazaar, Walmart, Reliance, Lidl. Global retail MNCs can open individual stores once FTA cap is removed.
I'm going to share a few about Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar is the largest hypermarket chain in India. Kishore Biyani is an Indian billionaire businessman who is the founder of the Future Groups and also CEO. He is the CEO of Big Bazaar. There are 267 stores across 90 cities and towns in India covering around 17 square feet of retail space. Big Bazaar is designed as an agglomeration of bazaars or Indian markets with a cluster offering a wide range of merchandise including fashion and apparels, food products, general merchandise, furniture, electronic, book, fast food and leisure and entertainment sessions. Big Bazaar targets higher and upper middle class customers because there has been growth in Indian middle class that has so far been used to buying apparel and groceries. From small shops is fast realizing the joys of visiting malls that have redefined the freedom to shop and entertain. Such malls are the new templates of leisure and weekend entertainment. Market segments. The largest growing young working population is a preferred customer segment for Big Bazaar. Most Big Bazaar outlets are multi-leveled stores and are located in standalone buildings in city centers as well as within shopping malls. Store layout. With more and more researches for analyzing customer behavior, this Big Bazaar deployed all the things making their customers spending more every time when they visit their stores. Items are placed in grid layout with the corner aisles acquired by big brands like HUL, ITC, The most costly products in each category were on the eyesight. Second mostly costly below the eye level and so on. On a weird thing noticed was that own labeled products were kept on the left side of other branded products instead of doing up. The interior design of Big Bazaar is very vibrant. They have a color combination of vibrant colors like blue and orange that leave an impression on Indian mind. The exterior design of Big Bazaar is easily visible from the distance and it can be distinguished from its competition. The exterior is attractive enough to encourage customers to entertain into this store. Big Bazaar provides a wide range of service to its customers like trial room, elevators, car parking, security, and a trolley so that could shop is. Bazaars give offer on every Wednesday special discounts so that the customers can buy bulk or eligible for monthly. They give advertising through newspaper, radio and television. Prices are kept lowest possible in order to attract huge customers.
About Big Basket. Big Basket is India's largest online supermarket. The company currently operates from Bangalore, Mumbai and Hyderabad and has a diverse portfolio that carries more than 12,000 products and over 1,000 brands. The grocery retail market in India is growing at about 10% CAGR compound annual growth rate and is about USD 400 billion in size, while e-grocery account to only 0.1%. Within this, the online grocery market is expected to be about USD 20 billion in the next 4 years from now. A majority of this market is likely to be concentrated in urban cities in the country. India is the sixth largest grocery market in the world. Business model: customer focus, wide range and a variety of product, continuous innovation with the help of technology. Product: fruit and vegetable, bread, dairy and eggs, branded food, household, meat, grocery and staples, beverage, personal care. Cities in which Big Basket provides service: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Delhi, Noida, Mysore, Vijayawada, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Gurgaon, Visakhapatnam, Surat, Nagpur, Patna, Indore. Process: Step 1. Browse bigbasket.com for product. Step 2. Add item to your shopping basket. Step 3. Choose a convenient delivery time. The time slot is 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., 7:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Market share: Big Basket 65.2%, Grofers 31.8%, Amazon 30%. Promotional strategy: Big Basket came in 2011, but they didn't do any television campaign.
I'm Manisha. I am going to present about the Reliance Fresh. Reliance Fresh is the convenience stores format which forms part of the retail business Reliance industry of India, which headed by the Mukesh Ambani. Reliance plan in the invest in the excess for the 25,000 crores in the next 4 years retail division. There are basic reason for the Reliance Industry Limited choosing food and vegetables and entering to retailing. Market segmentation. Market segmentation is a process dividing target market in the smallest, more defined categories. Location, biographic segmentation and behavior segmentation, graphical segmentation, demographic segmentation. Target market, a particular group and customer at which product or service in aims a target market in the group of the customer within a business service double a variable market in which business aims in the marketing effect on the resource. A target market in the supply total market of product or service. Positioning, Reliance Fresh. Positioning refers to the place at brand occupied in the mind of a customer and how is discussed for the product of the competence on the different of the concept of the brand awareness. Merchandise management, stores image, stores personal, stores design, promotion, credit location. Design, retailing, stores, retailing design a creative and commercial discipline that complaints service different area on the explore of the design condition of the retail space of the specialized when the part of the retail can what most designs of the people and the space or shop utilizing technology integration of the use technology tools and the general concept area and educational in the order to allow students of the apply computer and technology skills and learning and problem solving technology integration or defining. Thank you.
Aditya Birla Retail Limited is a $43 billion corporation. The company ventured into food and grocery retail store in 2007. There are currently 523 supermarkets and 20 hypermarkets. Our brand aims to offer a shopping experience that delivers unbeatable value and quality. Vision: to be the foremost retail brand which makes India healthy and happy, with an obsession to provide wholesome and freshest food. Mission: to deliver superior value to the customer, shareholders, employees and society at large. Values: integrity, commitment, passion, speed. Industry: retailing. Founded 2007. Founder Kumar Mangalam Birla. Headquarter Mumbai, India. Number of locations 509 supermarkets, 20 hypermarkets. Key people: Mr. Mohit, company CEO. Product: supermarket, hypermarket. Number of employees: over 11,000. Design, layout and size of store. More stores are bright and clean, with layout that allows easy of navigation. The product display is well organized, allowing easy of choice. The store have been designed by Fitch, the leading international retail design firm. The minimum size of the more supermarket is 2,500 square feet, and that of a more magistrate supermarket hypermarket is 50,000 square feet. Pricing strategy: more private label products were marked down by the significant margin. Pricing strategy: used for label products, private products were unique so that they could not be compared with usual products. More promising: best in market price as a source fresh fruits, vegetables and staples directly from farmers. More also generally follow the value pricing